first.
Well, you better spell it with 2 L's and 2 A's or we're never going to get a warrant. We want the business, which is 296 South Street, and the apartment, which is 573 East 30th Street.
Thanks for loading. Yeah. Can you wait a minute? I'm going to put you on hold.
She's a tease, isn't she?
Don't go away. Got a tip on the troubleshooting.
Now you're gonna get it. She'll bite your legs.
Come on. Okay, somebody give me a tape recorder. Something. Come on.
Get him back on the line. Stall. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna put you on hold. Uh-huh. Yeah, listen. Well, I'd love to know. Uh-huh. Well, how do I know you're on the up and up? You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. You know what the address is? What kind of gun am I going to find?